yung Move as One. And masaya rin kami na may share ulit namin ang music namin sa inyo.
Honestly, we're even happier po that you loved it. For those hearing us for the first time, thank you po for being here. We're so happy to meet you. And if it's your second time, thank you po from the bottom of our hearts for all of your support. It is so much love po.
Siyempre, kahit mahilig kami lang, nakikita namin yung mga dance covers nyo. Nakita rin namin yung strict version ng Tabi, guys. So maraming thank you po kasi grabe ang creative niyo so much.
At paulit-ulit po namin yung pinapanood